We are going to Mexico. Alright, we have officially made it to Mexico. Crossing the border right now. And here we are in Mexico. What do you got to say to the cameras there?
It's colder than a bitch out here.
That camera, Taylor.
It is. I'm one and only. Damn, it's cold as shit.
Yeah, my hands are numb.
No, I drank a little bit, but I figured I'd better stay sober.
Alright, what's it? The guy on the Envoy, is he racing? Yeah, he's coming. Alright, we got another. Is Jordan doing it?
They said that, I don't know.
We got Yee Yee versus Yee Yee. Who's winning?
Yee Yee.
It gets me from Yee to Yee, so we're good. My twin.
That truck right there?
Yeah. The Envoy. Let's see what the old Envoy will do. It's gonna be good for my movie. Alright, we got Yee versus Yee.
How much you want to bet?
Y'all
want me to drop the hands or y'all got this?
17.
Good.
Turn the lights on, baby.
I gave him a 20 back just to race, motherfucker. Which I mean, that shit happens. I mean,
he's forward and shit and chitties.
This is about to be an ass whooping and a half.
What happened?
I said it's about to be an ass whooping and a half.
Alright, tell the camera who's racing.
That red truck over there.
Okay.
And super badass truck right there.
Alright, who's winning?
Not the red one.
Okay, not the red one.
Not the red one. Do you like I wish I did a great truck.
How many?
2 Yee Yee.
Alright, here, flash your light. Hey, that red one was actually pretty quick.
At least he didn't kill it on the line. At least he didn't do it. I would have done it.
Alright, we got a Dodge versus a Duramax. Ready to go right now. Let's get on this shit.
I ain't fixing motherfucker.
That's awesome. And that's why I own a Dodge.
Fuck me, I'm out of money. Oh, they raced earlier last weekend.
Oh yeah, look at that, eh?
Shit, that's done.
That is pretty clean though.
It is clean. But he still got the fucking factory front end right
Yeah.
for a second. Kids in the back of the wreck car.
You just lost there. Hey, hell yes! Alright, who's racing? Oh, there we go, we're good.
Damn it, Brandon!
Alright, you get ready for this. Hold on, we're waiting.
This Duramax takes off the board.
Like he's pissed. That guy in the Duramax like, no, no.
He's beat him before. His truck's not
That
absolutely.
motherfucker can launch.
It's not.
Red Dog.
That's a 6-speed dude.
I know. badass.
All that Dodge you got on is program.
What do you think, Brandon?
What are they going to do? I don't know. I think we need some more track officials.
Hey, what do you think about that Dodge? That red Dodge, just getting it, man.
Good. He did all right for manual. You know.
Oh, there's a guy that does the badass burnout.
Sucks. My heater don't work again. I'm fucking cold. I'm gonna be cold going back home.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm doing.